Did you ever wonder which European country holds the title of being the wealthiest? Well, today we're going to reveal the secrets of the richest European country and uncover its hidden wealth. So prepare to be amazed. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this country boasts a thriving economy that has propelled it to the top of the wealth ladder. With a GDP per capita of 146,259, Luxembourg surpasses all its European counterparts. But what makes this country so incredibly rich? One of the main factors contributing to its wealth is its highly educated workforce. With an impressive literacy rate, the country has invested heavily in education, ensuring a skilled labor force that attracts multinational corporations and drives economic growth even further. But that's not all. The country's economic success can also be attributed to its diversified industries. From finance and manufacturing to technology and tourism, Luxembourg has it all. Its strategic location at the crossroads of Europe makes it a hub for commerce, attracting international investors and entrepreneurs alike. Moreover, Luxembourg has a strong and stable political system, which fosters a favorable business environment. Low corruption levels, efficient bureaucracy, and transparent regulations make it an ideal destination for companies seeking stability and security. And let's not forget about Luxembourg's commitment to innovation and sustainability. By investing in research and development, renewable energy, and green technologies, this country is paving the way for a prosperous future while preserving its natural resources. In conclusion, Luxembourg is the richest European country, thanks to its educated workforce, diversified industries, stable political system, and commitment to innovation. So join us next time as we delve deeper into the secrets of Europe's wealthiest nation. Now, let's talk about the current state of political stability in Europe. The era of major parties and the resulting clear political relations in the EU member states appears to be changing. At present, 16 EU member states are ruled by coalitions comprising 3 or more parties. This new level of instability has led to the rise of radical forces at the expense of the political middle ground, especially against the backdrop of soaring energy costs and inflation. The heterogeneity in the structure of the European Council makes it seem easier to block decisions, and governing coalitions of 3 or even more parties are becoming more common. This political instability has implications for public affairs at the EU level, as organizations need to constantly adapt to the changing landscape. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to click the like button for our page, The More You Know. Your support helps us continue to bring you informative and engaging content.